Ruskins View, closed. Easter Trail. What a view. Now we can see Ruskins View.
We're going down the east side.
Oh, if we do, we're not going to the shop.
All right, probably.
Why? Because that's what I bought it to do. Why, are you impressed with my selfie stick? Should we just walk a bit further down or not?
Well, I won't get shut before it shuts.
Well, it's a supermarket, it should be open for hours. Just to there then. Well, at least we can see the view then.
We're going that way here, I'm saving the light. Oh, mind there's a bench, you can have a bag.
Yeah, we'll have a sit on bench and have a rest.
I am.
You can smell chives, can't you? You smell them?
I don't get some and cook some egg.
This is a 360 camera, so I can see you pulling faces.
No.
Hey, look at all that. Look at all that shingle on the inside bend of that river, so.
Yeah.
These seats were given by the men and women of Kirby Lonsdale and the immediate neighbourhood in grateful remembrance of Lord Henry Bentinck, 28th of May 1863, 6th of October 1831. Now that's it. What? Yeah, that's better. Now that's a view. The only thing is though, she knows that if she backs up, she'll get out of it. That's what she's trying. Especially somewhere new. So what do you think to that for a view, Sue?
Nice. Here, get hold of her, she's pulling away.
She does, that's how she gets out at least. Imagine if this was your balcony, this is your house, and you had an upstairs balcony, and this is what your view was. That hill over there, after that oak tree, is man-made. And the people that owned the house over there...
Well, so you couldn't see him.
Yeah, it's so that you couldn't see the people. You know, when they're having garden parties and things like that.
Really?
You know, I could just sit watching this view for hours. Anyway, I won't put it on camera for hours, but it is a nice view. Enjoy Kirby Lonsdale, shop local, shop safely and keep your distance. Well, we've shopped local, haven't we? You're eating the crisp to prove it.